Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the medium Sudoku, regular medium Sudoku in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, July the 19th, 2023. And I've told you earlier in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Seven extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve in the evening. And what's the news of today? Well, the news of today, it's war day number 511. 511 days. The war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Alright, medium Sudoku number 6776. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 29 printed digits. 29. Well, should be an easy one because if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be easier than the 1 star. The 1 star has 27 printed digits. This one has 2 more. For 1 star puzzle, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 4 in the last column? 4 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. You see how 4 in the last row, no 4 there. Here 4 in the row above, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see how 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, you see how 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. You see here 4 in the first one, no 4 there. Here 4 in the second one, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. Alright. Okay. And now, how about the number? 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Well, cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. Then how about the 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. Then. How about the number? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. Yeah. 3 and 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the set column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes down. Alright. And now, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in the last column, so no 2 and 3 in these two boxes. The 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So now 2 numbers left in this big square for the first 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then. Yeah. Yeah. What's happening? Come on. 7. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this. Oh, wait. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 7 and a 3. We have a 7 and a 3 in this column, so no 7 and a 3 in these two boxes. We have a 7 and a 3 in this row, so no 7 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. The 7 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 3, 7 and 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And now 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, only place left for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in the middle row, so no 2 and a 5 in these two boxes. 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So what are the other numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row, middle row. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. We have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in the last column, the 9 in the column X. On that column, the only 2 places left, the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. The 1 in the third row, the 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. Alright. How about the 8 now? Nope. Still cannot continue with 8. 8, 5, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. And look, we have 5 and 8 in this column. So no 5 and 8 in this box. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the first column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. Alright. 1 box left in the second column for number 1. The 2 is missing, yeah. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in the third row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. We have a 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 and the 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Told you need to be faster than 50 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the killer Sudoku. The third regular puzzle is a killer Sudoku. So until then, bye bye for now.